Today we're going to take a look at three confusing words, and they are could, would, and should. They rhyme, I know. There's only one letter difference, but they all have a little different use and meaning. Come on, I'll show you. First of all, they all are used for possibilities. Oh, okay. For example, could is used to talk about events that can happen. We could go on vacation next week. It's a possibility. Would is used to talk about something that will happen, but it's also likely to be used as will not happen. We would go on vacation next week, but we ran out of money. Then, should is used to say something is a good idea. Hey, we should go on vacation next week. Got it? Could, talk about events that can happen. Would, something that will likely happen, but sometimes it won't, so we use it with negative. And should, something is a good idea. Why does English have these three words that are oh so similar and yet slightly different? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this set of sentences, I hope. If we could go on vacation, we would go on vacation. But where should we go? What? Come on, English.